Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to test oxygen sensors. First, understand that oxygen sensors measure the oxygen content in exhaust gases, sending crucial data to your engine's computer for fuel mixture adjustments. A faulty sensor can lead to poor fuel economy and increased emissions. Gather your tools, a digital multimeter, an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner, and safety gear. Always ensure the engine is cool before starting any work, as exhaust components can be extremely hot. Begin your diagnostic process with a thorough visual inspection. Look closely at the oxygen sensor itself for any physical damage, such as a cracked ceramic element or heavy carbon deposits, which can impede its function. Next, carefully examine the wiring harness leading to the sensor. Check for any signs of wear, cuts, or corrosion on the connectors. Ensure all electrical connections are tight and clean, as a poor connection can mimic a faulty sensor. To perform a voltage test, connect your digital multimeter to the sensor's signal wire and a good ground. With the engine running at operating temperature, observe the voltage readings. A healthy sensor should rapidly fluctuate between 0.1 and 0.9 volts, typically cycling several times per second. If the voltage remains constant, either low or high, or shows erratic readings outside this range, it strongly indicates a problem with the sensor's operation. For a more advanced diagnosis, connect an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to your vehicle's diagnostic port. Access the live data stream to monitor the oxygen sensor's voltage, along with fuel trim values. Look for diagnostic trouble codes, such as P0133 or P0135, which specifically point to oxygen sensor issues. If the sensor consistently fails these tests and generates relevant fault codes, replacement is often the most effective solution to restore proper engine performance and efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.